बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty ideas of crochet home decoration ideas and items. These are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super stunning and most beautiful and very attractive handmade crochet items for your home decor. And I hope so guys you like these crochet ideas. These are super incredible and beautiful ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very amazing ideas for you guys. You must make these crochet patterns at home. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet patterns. Then you also make them at home very easily. So viewers, keep supporting my channel. Stay tuned till the next video and share this video with your friends and with your family members. Hit the like button and leave the comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.